You do not need no protein.
And and I want to tell y'all, everybody on my post talking about, you get your fuel from protein. So I want to set the record straight because you don't. So y'all climb on in and we're gonna talk about it. Y'all climb on in, climb on in. Peace, 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 love, light, and healing family. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? So look, the comments have been you get your fuel from proteins, and I'm on here speaking as a biochemist, as a master herbalist, as all of that. Got thousands of healing testimonies. No, you don't. You do not get your fuel from proteins. Now, proteins can act like a stimulant, but proteins is not true fuel for the human or the black woman in a black man's body. What proteins are amino acids. What amino acids is polypeptide chains. And what these polypeptide chains are, they're histones that are full of DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. So what DNA is a chain of information that makes up your genetic code. It's full of instructions that keep your physiology intact. That's what DNA is, and DNA is directly linked to amino acids, and their complex amino acid structures, which all makes up DNA, is nothing but your proteins. So if you even break down proteins have nothing to do with energy. Proteins have nothing to do with fuel. The true fuel of the body is glucose and fructose. These are your carbon constituent factors. So if anybody want to know where you get fuel from, you get it from the glucose in your food. You eat your food breaks down into simple sugars, or what we're going to call monosaccharides. This is called glucose. This glucose becomes carbon, a carbon constituent. This carbon breaks down to water. This water breaks down into something called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. That's what you get your fuel from. Same thing with fructose. You eat a fruit, the fruit break down into all this bioflavonoids, all the curcumin, all the tannins, all these different chemicals, which we're going to call bioflavonoids, or what we're going to call, it goes through photosynthesis. All these things are pieces and fragments of light cold frequencies is melanin. That's sugar. That's where you fragments of light cold frequencies is melanin. That's sugar. That's where you get your fuel from.
That's why I understand DEA. Because DNA, just a chain of information. It sounds like that's for something that was created. Y'all comment and tell me what y'all think about the video.